today, guys, we're going to be showing you how to make your SSR or any 110 or 125cc pit bike into a wheelie machine. For what? How much do you think we spent on this whole ordeal? $100 maybe?
Not including rebuild, yeah. Well, less. Well, including rebuild, $100 probably.
Well, the shot. Okay, so start us off what we all did.
So, first off, we got an exhaust. Cheap eBay slip-on, $18.89 or whatever.
Yeah, it's like less than $20.
Really good, though.
28 mil. Right on. And then what else? CDI and racing coil.
Racing CDI, you know, with the coil, it gives you the new like 3-prong spark plug Chinese yin yang thing, but it gets the job done. It actually works pretty good.
And then you did something also with the needle clip position, right?
Yeah, needle clip is all the way down,
for rich,
up, all the way up, so it sits down far. Yeah, all the way down, so it sits up higher, so it's picking up fuel quicker.
So we riched the shit out of the mid range by putting the clip.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's a stock carb, not the aftermarket. That's a stock carb.
No, we did have the Mikuni on there, but it was way too big for it. So
yeah, the 26 mil is just way too much.
It have no power till it hit about 3/4 throttle, so we just kept the stock one on there.
And just rich in the mid range.
Yep.
You know what the fill screw set at?
1.5, 1 3/4.
Something like that.
We had to do a little bit of rewiring here, tap in, you know.
Yep. The CDI box is plug and play, but we tried putting a 125 motor in it before, and that didn't work.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
But once you get those performance engine stuff,
yep.
You got to get the what kind of shock was that? Like $45, I think, for the shock.
It's like $45. It's really good.
It's completely covered in mud, but it's all red and orange.
It's very stiff, very stiff.
And then you guys put it the stiffest setting?
Pretty much close to it. We're like now there's really like no spring to it.
Yeah, basically you want it to have no spring, so you can just pop it up.
When it jumps or stuff, it's just gonna bottom out.
Yeah.
And for wheeling, it just makes it pop it up so much easier because it's a compress and.
I mean, Sparky can basically wheelie this thing, no problem.
Oh yeah, and then we put just put a new rear tire on it, but.
You probably won't need a new rear tire, but I mean, if you want, it's like.
Put new chain sprockets.
Yeah, definitely want that if you want to start grenade chains.
Sprockets are just mounted over.
For sure.
And put some new grips on it, but that's, that doesn't have to help.
That's minor. And you want to put Wiseco stickers on just to make it increase horsepower.
Oh god, yeah. T-Bolt USA.
Kinetic gaskets for sure. But I'm pretty sure this will do plenty of work on any of the 125s.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't matter if it's SSR, TaoTao, Coolsters,
they're pretty much same power and speed as a 125. Pretty close.
Yeah. I mean, I put it against my Thumpstar, and it's pretty damn close, except for until I hit third gear.
Start, yeah.
But like I said, Carb. We got this foam air filter too. That's not the stock one. I think that's like a $7 eBay.
That's a stock one.
Stocker?
Yep, but I think I replaced it though.
Okay.
But yeah, you can get the cone ones. I really like the cone ones on there.
Definitely just do that needle clip position.
Yep.
Racing CDI and coil. Pipe.
Definitely pipe.
Definitely need a pipe. And we took out the spark arrestor screen too. I think this one should be just
the spark arrestor
hollow.
screen really didn't do too much on that one though, compared to other ones.
But
no, run 91 or 93. No ethanol.
Yeah, run some good gas.
So it doesn't gum up. Otherwise, these carbs gum up real quick.
The coil, I think it takes a little bit of modification for the coil. I don't think it was a plug and play. We had to splice a wire.
Bolt the ground on there too.
Yep.
But no, it's
decent.
This one's been it's been quite abused.
It's 2016.
Yep, 2016. A lot of hours on, Probably close to 120 hours.
Oh yeah, we rebuilt it once, but we just used a used cylinder with a brand new piston.
Put it to the ground though, before and after. So.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be pissing oil out again for sure, Steve.
Oh yeah.
Definitely.
No, did a little bling stuff. Put a different Kickstarter on it, but obviously.
Yeah, Thumpstar Kickstarter. Anything else you want to add?
No, this bike's been running strong.
And it just the shock did most of it.
Oh yeah,
like,
the shock is huge.
You can just pop it up.
Otherwise,
you can just walk it.
You get really soft spring, and it just ruins the recoil into it.
You can't just power wheel. You have to like either lean way back and ride on the fender, which is not fun at all.
Right.
But he's been doing third gear wheelies.
Oh, yeah,
I mean,
but it's
no
got
problem.
enough power where you don't have to. You just throttle it up, and these bikes are light enough in the front end. So.
For sure. All right, man. Cool.